Hello friends, in the series of BSE IPF, I welcome you all. We are talking about oil, gas and chemicals. We have talked about oil and gas separately and we will discuss about chemicals now. There is a separate playlist on our YouTube channel, so the investors who wants to know in detail or know more about it can check out the YouTube channel. All these sessions are coming to you by BSE IPF and SEBI. So don't forget to say thanks to them also after this session. We are talking about chemicals. The chemical expert says that this industry will grow from $210 billion to $304 billion, which is itself a big opportunity. In overall imports of our country, the share of petrochemicals is of 11%. Even if it is coming down to 10%, it will add a lot to our economy. Also, it will make a lot of sense to the domestic petrochemical producing companies. We have also seen that the chemical expert says that the demand of chemicals will be there for next 5 years of 9% per annum. When we are talking about the opportunities in chemical industry, we should always consider the China also. In a month of April, due to the pandemic and the lockdown in China, the production of chemicals in China went down to 70%. So that demand came to India. The international players approached India and we are supplying. Due to the pandemic, the pain for China is becoming the gain for India. We will try to see in today's session. These are the figures in front of us. These are the sales figures of the countries. The first number is of China and India is ranking on 4, 5, 6th rank. So this is itself an opportunity for India that we can go to the first number because we are ranking on 6th and when we are talking about the petrochemicals, China is contributing 35% and India is contributing merely 3%. So from increasing our contribution from 3% to the higher level, also from the 6th level to coming to the first level is a big opportunity. And if the pain is to China, then definitely it will be a gain for India. We are ranking 6th in terms of production. We just saw now. We are the 4th largest agrochemical producer in the world. China is exporting mainly to US and Europe. Like we have put the anti-dumping duty on automobile on the imports from China. Just like that, Europe and America is putting some additional tariff on the imports from China of the chemicals. So if they are adding the additional tariff, that will be a pain for China and that will be a gain for India. Also, there is a low cost labor in India and the low cost raw material. Also, we can check out the geography. We are having the direct access to Europe and America through sea, but for China, they need to take the longer route. Also, they are working on through land by one road, one belt and CPEC and all, but still it is under process. So the cost for export to the Indian company is very lesser than that of the China. So if we are taking the advantage of all these things, that low cost labor, low cost raw material, also the low cost for exporting, that can become the advantage to the country. Agri-chemicals, that Indian government is also focusing a lot on agriculture or the rural economy. We have seen in last session, if they are able to achieve the target of doubling the income of farmers, also they are achieving the target of empowering the rural economy, then definitely that will add a demand to the agrochemicals and that will add a benefit to the agrochemical company. Overall, the slowdown in China, also our exports are rapidly growing. We have seen in last session that the exports grew from 9% to 12% and we are becoming the manufacturing hub of the chemicals tightening environmental norms in developed countries. This can be the opportunity for India. We will stop here today. We have seen about the sector, but for the choosing company, we need to do the proper fundamental analysis. The same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi. You need to check the YouTube channel for that. Don't forget to write your name along with the email address in the comment section. Also, if you want to know more about some different topic, please mention. Stay tuned. Thank you very much again.